Hi everyone, and welcome to Hi the Couponer. So I really thought long and hard today about what video to do, and I actually tried multiple things, but nothing worked out. So you're gonna see me on the camera just talking, kind of reflecting about this week and couponing, and what am I doing the rest of the week with couponing? Am I done? Am I gonna do anything else? We're gonna see. So yeah. This is what we're going to talk about. So let's just get right down to it. Let me know if you like this kind of video, just like chatting about the week. I don't really know if this is something we're going to keep doing, but I just am desperate. There's no insert preview. There's no inserts this week. There's no Ibotta haul today. There's no Walgreens haul today. Despite my efforts, there's no Walgreens haul today. And I don't know. I don't know. So, first up, Ibotta. Really wanted to do a haul for you all today, but I didn't get the bonus. Again, everyone else got it, but I did not get it. I looked at their site, and it specifically says that, they vary. Which, usually everyone gets the same thing, I thought. But so I didn't get it. I didn't get one this week. I utilized level 2 last week, so it was so close. But this time I need like 19 rebates to get $2. That's not going to happen this week. I'm sorry. I can't go out there and make it work. I will, however, still do free things, probably, with Ibotta. But not too much else. I'm not going to lie, not too much else. So we'll see. I don't know if I'm even going to... We'll see. I might not go out till Monday. Well, I'm going to think about it. I'll talk about that in a minute. So I thought, well, since Ibotta fell through, let's try Walgreens. And I walked in Walgreens today. There's a really nice cashier at the front. And I thought, oh, she seems really good. Hopefully she doesn't care. I had 4 transactions mapped out because there's some really great deals that showed up at Walgreens. First up, the Gillette Shave Cream. Savvy Coupon Shopper posted this. It is $2.99, buy one, get one half off. So for $50, you get back $5 registry reward, so a 50-cent moneymaker. I was going to roll that into some other stuff. I had a points booster, spend 15, get back 5. I was going to use the reward to help pay like nothing and make it work. That didn't happen because I had the stuff in my cart. I was heading over to the freezer bags, and guess who I noticed? The Photo Lab cashier who told on me to the manager that one time, and I didn't even do anything wrong. And also, she told me I was going to make her lose her job because of coupons. And I was like, you know what? You probably all think I'm crazy. I put everything back. I'm like, I am not going to do this. I am not going to go out there and stress myself out. I'm not going to get told that I'm doing too many transactions. I just didn't do it. So I put the stuff back. I just got 6 freezer bags, or actually 5 freezer bags and 1 regular gallon bag. You know what? I thought, I just don't want to fight with anybody. Yeah, I should stand my ground, but I saw the person on Monday at Walgreens throwing a horrible fit. And I was like, you know what? I am not going to be that kind of person. I don't care about the products. I don't need razors. I don't need... I have shaving cream. I don't really need shaving cream in the stockpile. I decided I'm done. So I got the bags. And she was actually extremely nice. I don't know if she realized that I'm the crazy coupon kid from 2 years ago. I was never crazy. But she must not have realized that I was the same person. She was so nice. So I don't know. That's where I'm at with Walgreens. I just didn't feel like doing it today. So there are great deals, though. The Fordo Coffee Shot. If you have your bonus, definitely swing by Walgreens and grab it. It's $2.99. Get $2.99 back on Ibotta. So free. Bic razors, those are free. Some of them are a moneymaker. If you get the Bic Soleil Balance, they're $7.99. Buy one, get one half off. We have $4 coupons from Sunday's paper. So you pay $3.98 for 2 and get back 4,000 points. And then you know the deal already with the Bic Silky Touch or the Bic Twin Select. $3.99, buy one, get one half off. Use the $2 coupons from Sunday's paper. You pay 2 and get back 4. So that's really great. I just did not want to press my luck with her. She was nice, and I thought, nope, I'm not going to make her mad. I don't need these things in my life. At the end of the day, I thought about it. I was going to pay almost $3 for the 6 bags and all that stuff. The only thing I really needed was the bags. So I paid 98 cents for just the bags. Yeah, if I would have paid the $3, I would have left with a lot more points. But when you're thinking about it on the cash side, I saved an extra $2. I don't have hardly any points left. But I got things I needed, and that is kind of important. So that's what I did today. As for Walgreens, I would like to get the Purex crystals, and I really wish I would have done it today, but I didn't do it. I might run back in and do that, but besides that, I think I'm done there. I don't know if I'll run back in for that because I have quite a few of those. So I'm trying to put it in perspective. So that's what I did at Wags, and I'm happy with it. I paid 98 cents for 6 bags, and we needed those, so I'm really happy. That's better than I used to do back in the day at Kroger, so I'm happy with it. Okay, I did go to Walmart. I got the free eggs. They are awesome. I saw this from Saving with Shay, Midnight Saver, Smooch the Cook on Instagram, and other people, as I'm sure, have said it. Walmart and Target on the coupons.com app both have a rebate to get a free thing of eggs up to $2.50, so that's insane. Our 18 count eggs around here were $1.30, so that's what I got. Could have probably got more than that, but we don't need that many eggs. So I did that deal. That is an awesome deal. Okay, so today, believe it or not, I did go to Dollar Tree. I went to Hobby Lobby, and I wanted some stuff at Hobby Lobby for my planner thing that I use, and they're the ones that sell that brand. If you don't know me, I'm kind of planner obsessed, which just sounds, I don't know, that's kind of weird, but I really, really love it. And so they sell this brand. I don't know why I'm even talking about this, but some of you might care. They sell this Happy Planner brand, and I'm a guy, so obviously I don't want all the girly designs and such, but I do really recommend this, because see, you can just like rip the pages out. It's so simple. I really, really love that. And that's why I've used other planners in the past, because like I said, I will put some stickers in there that don't look too crazy, like that are, some of their stickers literally say the power of a girl or something. I don't put those in there, obviously, but some of them, like I'll put like workout stickers, and like I put a cross sticker for Easter and checklist stickers. And so I am kind of into planning that way. If I don't do it that way, I don't stay on track. And I love this one because these rings, you can literally just remove the pages right out. So besides, I really recommend that planner, and they're all 40% off this week, which is awesome. I always try to find the most guyish one. I replaced the cover with this one. It looks pretty manly, I guess. I don't know. So I do try to do that, but it's a really good planner. So I would get that if I were you. If you need one, 40% off, and they're not that bad. They really aren't. I mean, you can even get a smaller one if you don't want that big of one, or you can get a huge one if you want. I've honestly used the big one and the classic. I like the classic, but so that is my planner chat. I really, really like the Happy Planners. It's all 40% off, the planners and planner kits. So they gave me 40% off of the paper that I bought, and they didn't give me 40% off of something else, so I had to use my coupon. So just kind of be aware of that. But you can get your planner for 40% off. They have other brands too, but the Happy Planner is really nice. So yeah, I recommend that. I swear, if I did not keep a planner, some of you ask, how do you do everything you do? It's that planner. If I wouldn't sit and take the time at the beginning of the week, write it all out, and just know what I'm doing, I would be insane, because I just could not keep up with everything. So I love that. And like, if you don't want to pay the price for like their stickers, again, like I say, I pick and choose which ones I want to use, because like I said, some of them are girly. I don't think these are at all though, but these came from the Dollar Tree, so that's awesome. I love that. But yeah, definitely if you're in the market for a planner, go check that out at Hobby Lobby, because I love that the planner. I've used multiple planners before. I was talking to Hello Tiara on Instagram. She watches on YouTube too, about planners. Like, apparently she's a planner addict too. If any of the other of you people are planner like freaks or nerds or addicts or whatever, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I really like the Happy Planner stuff. I just pick and choose what's aimed towards girls or women. I don't know, they say girls, and what's more aimed towards a guy. And so I do it off of that. So yeah, enough talking about planners, because most of you probably could care less. But let me know. That'll be the little mid-video question. Do you use a planner? If so, what do you use? They have the undated ones for $5, and I actually just use these as dividers. So like Bible study, because I try to do Bible study every day. I have a business tab where I write down all my video ideas. I even have took it as far as budgeting in here, because I got to get my life on a budget. So yeah, but honestly very reasonable if you go up to Hobby Lobby this week and you get your planner stuff up there. So awesome deals. Okay, but enough talking about planners. Dollar Tree is in that same little strip mall place. So I went to Dollar Tree, and I found some really good stuff over there. I did not try to use coupons, because I just do not like couponing at Dollar Tree. But they did have this Ajax laundry detergent, which if you're like an old school couponer, back in the day we got those all the time at Walmart for 50 cents. But they had them at Dollar Tree for $1. And I will get, if it's name brand detergent, I will get it for $1. And that is name brand. It was like 25 loads. I thought, you know what? I'm going to get 4. That's a good deal in my mind. So I did do that. The Airborne, they did have some Airborne for $1. There's a $1 off coupon from the 47 Smart Source. So free. And the Lysol wipes, they did have those. I didn't do that. I didn't think it was very good. Okay, so what's my plans for couponing this week? I'm pretty much not, I'm up in the air about it. I don't really know if I'm going to do anymore. I know I'm going to run to Kroger and get the ad on Saturday. I've seen some stuff on Instagram. I'm not 100% sure it's this week, but I'm pretty sure next week's another mega, which is really weird. We usually don't have them back to back. I could be wrong. The person didn't give a date for the ad. I'm pretty positive it's next week. So we'll check in on that on Saturday. I'm pretty sure it's next week. And so when I run in there, I need to get the RX bars on my cousin's card and my grandma's card, I think. They let me use their free Fridays because they don't use them, so I'll go and get those. And those are actually a decent item. They're not that bad. I want to get the Cliff Mojo again because those are good. Those are really good bars. They're free after the Ibotta, so definitely do that. Check out the Kroger videos this week. I found 7 new freebies. If anyone's thinking, oh, Kroger's just a repeat of last week, no. Kroger's even more deals I found. So I wish I could have got that Carvana, but I wasn't lucky enough. If I do a mega, again, I'm not totally sure I'm going to. If I have another mega, I will do it. I'll do the Cremette. But I don't think we're going to need another mega. We're not getting inserts next week, so I'm not really thinking we're going to find too much more on the mega sale, but who knows? Maybe we will. Yeah, I don't know. And then Walmart, I'm not sure I'm going to go back there either. If I do, I would just get more candy and Zyrtec, but I'm pretty much got a lot of that stuff, so I might just sit that out. I don't know when the coupons expire. Let me look at the dates. It's at the 23rd, I'm pretty sure, so maybe it'll run after Easter. I wouldn't mind going and getting some Easter candy because Nancy asked about a health update. I am planning on doing a whole entire video about that soon. I am on medication. I have been for a couple months, and it's seriously changed my life. I know when you saw me back at Vlogmas in December, I was really kind of on a very, very weird diet of very minimal eating and such. At that point, I was seeing a nutritionist, kind of just trying to ease my symptoms. I don't know. The nutritionist person really wanted me to do that for the rest of my life. She had some interesting views and stuff I didn't agree with. She was kind of not so much for the medication, but I am on this medication. It is seriously wonderful. It is like, I know God was in it, of course, but it was like a miracle in my life that drug has worked so well for my Crohn's, and it worked like 3 days later, and most people aren't that lucky. So I thank God for that, and I'm able to honestly eat within reason. Like, I can't go eat popcorn and nuts and stuff, but I pretty much can eat anything I want. Now, I still try to remain on a healthier lifestyle. Like, I try to get minimal ingredients, but I will honestly, if I want something, I'll get it. Like, if I was at the store the other day, I wanted the Starburst jelly beans. You know what? I got it. I still eat healthy for the most part. I don't eat as bad as I used to, but I pretty much can eat what I want anymore. So that's an update on that. So I would like to go out Monday and grab a little bit of Easter candy. I'd like to get some Cadbury eggs because those things are like my favorite things in the world. So I would like to go get some of those. So yeah, I think that's it for this week. I really can't think of too much else I want to talk about or do. It seems pretty much done to me. I appreciate those of you who signed up on Shopkick because you actually got me to my gift card. So now I can get my gift card out at Shopkick. So yay. So another thing I've been thinking about is my coupon organization. I really like, I don't know, the binder. I have changed like 3 times this month, which over March and April, which is not good. I've been using the binder. If I look bad right now, it's because my allergies are just like going really bad. But I've tried the box again. I can't do it. I tried. I can't. So I went back to the binder, but instead of categories, I did an ABC order. Yeah, just didn't feel at peace with that either. So I switched back to the category system, which I do love the category system. But, oh my gosh, it takes so long to cut them all out and fold them up. I just don't know what to do anymore. I don't really know. I've tried everything pretty much, besides the whole inserts. I even did the whole insert in a binder. It just feels like nothing is going to work for me. The reason I keep up with the binder is like yesterday when I found those Kleenex wipes. If I would have had them cut out in that binder, I would have missed out on that. And I got 6 packs of those wipes for free just because I took the time to cut the coupons. Sorry, my computer is coming unplugged. Or it looks like it's unplugged. And because I took the time to cut out those coupons, and if I wouldn't have cut them out, I wouldn't have got the deal. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments. What do you recommend? What's your organization for coupons? I know I've asked you all to put a lot in the comments, but I don't know. Just let me know what y'all think there about coupon organization. So thank you so much for that. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you're doing this week. Are you done couponing this week? Are you doing anything else? Is there anything I ought to do that I didn't mention? Let me know. So yeah, that's all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.